Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna do a simple banana fritters, and this most Jamaicans know. Every Jamaican knows how to do this. You tend to use your overripe bananas. So as usual, my ingredients are already prepared. This is my overripe bananas that I'm showing you here that I'm gonna be using. One is not so overripe, but I've added it to it along with the overripe ones. I have my flour. I'm gonna add some flour. In my flour, I have added a little bit of baking powder, just to give it a little swell, even though it's going to come back to normal after it comes out of the pot. Of course, I have my cinnamon and my mixed spice powders that are here that I'm going to add to give flavor to my banana fritters. I have my vanilla, which is what you see here, and I'm going to add that as well. I'm going to use, of course, a little bit of vegetable oil to do my frying, and I'm going to add a little bit of milk just to give it a little bit more flavor. When my fritters are finished, I'm going to be sprinkling with my brown sugar. So I'm going to just do a quick demonstration to show you how simple it is. It's easy. You can make it. You can actually prepare it and add to it anything you like. Like you could add like fritters, like not fritters, sorry, you could add like sausages to it once you have completed the meal or completed frying the banana fritters. You can also add like sausages or or sliced ham or franks, anything that you choose to eat with it, or you can have it by itself with a cup of tea. It's really up to you. So I've mashed my bananas. I'm gonna add my bananas right here to my flour, and I'm gonna mix that in. Used about 1.5 cups of flour because my bananas were really soft. So I'm mixing that in, and then what you can do to give it a little bit more liquid, you can add a little bit of milk and continue to incorporate. Don't worry about the little spilling, you can clean that up after. A little bit more milk, just a little, just to have the flour saturated. So it's almost finished incorporating. Then you add your vanilla, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, just to flavor. Get it really rich. Then you can add your powdered seasonings, your cinnamon powder and your mixed spice. See what that looks like? Really getting creamy. Some people do it a little more watery, some people do it a little thicker. It's really up to you how you like it. And then you just incorporate all of that. You don't need any more milk because it's already liquidy. Well, I don't need any more milk because I don't want it too watery. So you can say I used about 1/2 cup of milk. See, nice and sticky. And I'm now going to drop it into the oil for it to fry. Okay guys, I'm ready to actually do my frying, so I'm going to use a spoon, and I'm going to use a spoon to just drop it into the pot. Spoon it in, basically. Turn your fire down, your flame down to like low to medium, because you don't want them frying too quickly. And remember, it's banana, it is sugary, so it will burn quicker than you think if you have the flame too high. This is pretty much what it looks like so far. I've turned it down. You notice it started to brown right here already. So you have to be careful. You have to turn your flame all the way down so that it does not burn too quickly. And I will keep you posted as I turn them, and you will see exactly how beautiful they come out. You see how quickly they've browned? I have not had them in the pot for very long at all. They are just, because as I said, it's bananas and it's a lot of sweet, it will actually brown quicker than you think. So you have to just really quickly try to turn them. Oops, this one is folding over. This should go back there. So you have to quickly turn them before they actually burn. I'm dropping some more in because I've got some more space. Okay, I'm going to remove some of them. You should always have a plate where you can actually, with paper towel, that you can actually rest it on so it can drain. This can turn, this can come out, this can come out. I just have about 2 more left, and I'm going to drop in. I'm turning my last 2. Almost done, and I'll present you and show you how simple it is to make banana fritters. Okay, this is my last fritter that's in. I'm gonna take it off, allow it to drain, and then I am gonna just turn your stove off, of course, and then I'm gonna actually show you how I just simply do a simple plating, very simple plating, transferring of my fritters from this plate that it has drained on to my presentation plate. And you can make this a sweet dish, or you can make it a savory dish or a mixed dish. Savory meaning you can just have it just bland as like that, how it is, or you can actually have it sweetened as a sweet dish. So you're gonna add your sugar, and you're gonna add like your, you know, you could add your whipped cream and your cherries and make it a nice presentation. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna sprinkle with my sugar, just a little drizzle with the sugar while it's still hot, so the sugar crystals will actually melt into the fritter itself. I'm gonna add a little bit of whipped cream for those who may like whipped cream, and just top it with some cherries. And there you are. Your meal is served.